April 12th, and our boo fell asleep. And here we are. You can see how beautiful it is. We're in Kauai. And there's William. Look at these mountains. I'm gonna go get William. We're here. This is the Princeville St. Regis. And there's the boo, asleep with the daddy. We are at the Princeville Westin. If we pay $2.50, we get to stay. Well, we can be at the pools here. And here's our little guy on the boogie board doing some boogieing. What do you think, William? Just got the boogie board. Do you want to get your shoes? Maybe we should take it over to that other water, William. This is kind of shallow here. We'll take it over to the other water. I'll come with you. Huh? Here's the mommy. Hi. Here I am.